Hey guys, this is Maria from showysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use On This Day feature on Instagram stories. Instagram allows people to use On This Day feature on their stories in order to see their previous post on this day and share a memory with other users. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to Instagram Home tab. I will switch to my own Instagram because there are more posts uploaded, and it will be easier to show how to use On This Day feature. After that, swipe right or click on the Your Story icon at the top of your screen. Once the camera window opens, press on the Create Mode icon on the left. Go right until you find On This Day option. Tap the Record button. Now you can change the background color, insert emojis, stickers, GIFs, draw or write something if you want. What is more, you can decide whether you want to show your post with a caption or without. When you're happy with your story post, click on the Send To button and add it into your story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use On This Day feature on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at showysocial.com.